Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to download as well as how to sign in to Excel using your Apple device. First, we're going to open up the App Store. It looks like this. At the top of the App Store's search box, we are going to type in Excel. As you can see, Microsoft Excel appears right away. Now we are going to tap Get at the top right. Once you've entered in your Apple ID, this will start the download. The download time may vary based off of your internet connection. Now that mine is finished downloading, I'm going to hit Open at the top right. Once Excel appears, it's going to ask us for our student email, which we're going to enter in our first name dot last name at asub.edu. During this portion, I'm going to enter in my password, and then I'll return back with you in a moment. Once Excel signs me in, it's going to ask me if I want to turn on notifications. I'm going to say not now. And then, after that, I'm all set. That was how to download as well as how to sign in to Excel using your Apple device. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.